Okay, when you're using Facebook for your content, type of content embraces all promotional, informative, interactive. Yeah, it can be anything: blogs, poetry, memes, business pages also. They engage with creative stuff. They do not limit their page only to promoting the products, right? They involve some humor into it. So for business, use it for interactions, promotions, emotional bond. And you also have this Facebook Live thing, no? So with this live, business pages are using it as a way to communicate with their clients, to understand what are their opinions on it. It's like a webinar kind of a thing. Openly you have discussions. You also have this musicians, they play the guitar and they just see the reactions and they ask you. Even for your creative content, probably you can just start off a video with spoken poetry. Yeah. Then freelancers. Like I said, you can share if you all are into travel, and if you all have maintained a blog all about travel, then applying for freelancing as a freelancer into a travel company makes sense, because they have an idea that, yeah, what this person is writing about has good knowledge about travel. Instead of me just knowing that, okay, you're good enough for this job just because you're telling me so. How do I know you're good enough for a job until unless you showcase something? This is okay. You all know to create a page on Facebook? No? Oh, most of you all know. You all have Facebook account, everybody? Here you can see under this Akshay. Create page here.
Do we have to log in?
Yeah, on your Facebook. Login.
Do you have to log into your Facebook account right now?
That's if you want to create a Facebook page right now. Otherwise,
I have a page.
After class, I'll just take you through how you do it.
I have a page of created.
You've already created the page. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just showing you. It's pretty simple. Once you log in, here is where you get the option under your profile thing to create a page. Okay. Then for the phone, what I use is, I use this app called Page Manager. Now, specifically now, every time that I have to go and deal with my page, not necessarily I go to my account and again I click on my page. So this Page Manager thing, it is an app that I use on my phone. So just directly open it. I can post it, just related stuff only. It doesn't show me news feed and all that of my business. Yeah, of other news feed. It's just purely related to my page. When I open up, it also shows me the stats of my page. Page Manager. Then what else I wanted to say? What do you want to write on? You need to choose. If you want to start a business page, you can choose that in accordance to your. If you want to start a business page, you will choose business. If you want to start your creative thing, you can just say creative. There are options which is straightforward.